G'day, it's Mike here from Countrywide Motor Company in sunny Sanson. Now we've got another little beauty here for you to look at. I always like to try and keep you guys entertained. Now this here is certainly a little bit different to the usual. It is a little MG replica. It's a T car. They're a New Zealand kit, and this was made in the early 90s. Has a Datsun 1200 engine in it and gearbox, 4-speed gearbox. Now they don't weigh very much, so it sort of punches it along quite nicely. It's an awesome little thing to have as a weekend toy or a summer commuter if you want to run around it in summer. Having the Datsun engine and running gear makes it very drivable. And of course you've got two seats in here. We've got the wood grain dash and a wood rim steering wheel. Now there is a seat in the back there, but it's more of a parcel shelf. I don't think anyone would be able to sit on it. It's got that sort of nice 50s classic style MG roadster look about it. As you can see, it has got a soft top. The soft top does come with side curtains as well. Got nice little running boards. There's a few little stone chips and marks around it. That's why we've gone for the race car look. It's got the numbers on the side there that you can remove if you so wish. And under the dual opening cowl or bonnet, you'll see a lovely Datsun 1200 engine. And they're very well known for great reliability, and they actually go extremely well too for what they are. And then this of course doesn't weigh very much either, so it pushes along quite nicely. Tyres are all good on it. It'll have a warrant, it'll have a rego, it'll be ready to go. You can have this for $8,995, which I think is an absolute bargain. Lots of fun to be had for that sort of money. We can finance it, we can trade. So you're welcome to come and see it in Sanson, or check us out at CWMC.co.nz. There might be something else there you like as well. We do have a few vehicles that aren't just your normal plastic eco boxes. We have stuff that's interesting. We've got caravans, occasionally have motorbikes, all sorts of things there that keep you interested. So you're CWMC.co.nz. You can also follow our page if you like. Follow our page, like it, share it, make some comments if you like. Tell me if you've ever owned one of these or something like it, and tell me where you're driving it if you were to own it. Thanks very much for watching. We are good people with fair deals.